As car production speeds up and automation takes over, the pressure is on for faster, more accurate inspections. To meet the rising demands, manufacturers need smarter solutions that keep pace with innovation. Welcome to the future of automotive quality assurance with this flexible optical 3D measurement station developed by our partner Guangzhou Tasco Equipment and Technologies Company, Limited. Featuring Scantech's TrackScan system, flexible holding, control and inspection software, the station can inspect stamping parts and sub-assembling parts such as doors, hoods, and trunks. Traditional methods have drawbacks, such as the need for large storage areas, data recording errors, low efficiency, and incomplete data. The station, powered by TrackScan's 0.025mm accuracy and million level rate, offers all material adaptability and fast part change. Firstly, short RPS inspection enables fast and automated tooling adjustment. Besides, it allows for full field inspection for surface points, holes, edges, and more. You can even evaluate defect rates through batch measurements. Plus, the station lets you analyze trends over time, giving you insights to help with decision making. It also shows data for virtual assembly, which helps you understand how components fit together and boosts quality assurance. This solution removes the need for specific tooling for each model, provides detailed measurement data, and cuts down on labor, tooling, and inventory costs. After the inspection, the robot can quickly return to its starting position with just one click. This solution is ideal for boosting competitiveness for OEMs,